I tell you, this man went down to his house justified rather than the other. For everyone that exalted himself shall be abased, and he that humbled himself shall be exalted. May God bless you. Amen. Kashil ateu amasa ayin chu mi zok chu thiam changin a ina akal chukta a in ngai lu apiang an tlomanga in ngai tlom chu choi moin an omang ati a in ngai tlom chu choi moya omna lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.